Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. In today's super fast video, I just wanted to show you some seeds that I started off about a week ago, and I had checked them about 5 days in and there was no activity at all, and I was almost going to throw them out, but I left them in the little Ziploc baggie. So what I do is I take just some brown paper, load the seeds in, moisten the towel, the little paper towel, and then into a little bag like this, little Ziploc bag. But look at this. I almost threw these out. But watch. Look at this. Make sure I'm on camera here. Look at that. Little pepper seeds. And you can see that these need to be planted right now. So you can see, let's just go through them here. Yep, I'd say every one of them germinated, even that little guy right down there. So all of these seeds were never dried. I had bought a couple of peppers. I opened the peppers, used them in a salad, and then I just removed the seeds and I put them directly into the towel, not thinking that anything would happen. And look at the success. This is amazing. So that's it for this really fast video. If I continue along with this video, then I'm going to show you the next portion of the video, which will be, I guess, planting these in some soil. But that's it for this one here. So I just did this one, and I also shot another video for cantaloupe as well, which was kind of cool too. So that's it for this really fast video. As I update these little videos, I will put them on my YouTube channel. So that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you on the next one.